Hi, in this video, I will show you how to fix FlexNet license finder error in AutoCAD. The error may appear like so. A way to fix it, you have to go to your files and you have to follow this. You go to your program files and then you go into common files and then Autodesk share, and then you need to get into your network license manager. It will appear something like this. And when you get here, make sure you go on this application, right? Right click and run as administrator. When it launches, then you have to go under start, stop, and reread. After that, click on stop server. After it stops, then you have to click on reread license file. Wait for it to finish. After it finishes, then you can start server and then try to run AutoCAD again. And you're done.